All right. So it cut me off, but we were labeling our answer, and we have 53 cherries. For the next one, it says, look at how Kate solves a subtraction problem at the right. Is her answer correct? Explain how you can use addition to check her answer. So here is her problem. They want us to use addition. Remember, we know our, they are not fact families. Number bonds. We have our number bonds. The problems are the fact family. So we can use these fact families. If this is correct, this is saying that 86 is going to be the whole, and 58 and 38 are the parts. So these two should be able to add together. So let's check. 58, I like to add my numbers like this. It looks like Cookies and Friends. So what is 8 plus 8? 16, right? So 6. And we haven't talked about this, I don't think. But I'm going to put a 1 over here. Why am I putting a 1 over here? I'm putting a 1 over here because I can only have one digit in my ones, and 8 is a 2-digit number. So 8 plus 8 equals 16. My 6 goes here, but I have to sell my pack of cookies to the store. So I'm adding another one. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Is Kate right that 86 minus 58 equals 38? No, right? She is not. No. Because, and it says addition, so we have to use this because 38 plus 58 does not equal 86. Also, this is a great way that you can use, a great strategy that you can use to check your answers. Okay? You could also check your answers this way too by using addition. Okay. Sean has 14 fewer crayons than Keisha. Keisha has 64 crayons. How many crayons does Sean have? You can do the number line. Keisha has 64 crayons. Sean has 14 crayons less. Well, 64 minus 4 is 60. There's my 4. Now I need to go back 10 more. 60 minus 10 is 50. Let's try Cookies and Friends way to see if we get the same answer. 64 minus 14. 4 minus 4 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. Two different strategies gives me the same answer, and it's one of my options. I'm pretty sure that 50 is your right answer. All right, for your independent work today, you are doing page 203. There's number 1, and then 204. There's number 2, 3, and 4. Have a good day, guys.